Greetings everyone. I am the General Manager of Hangzhou Color Powder Coating Equipment Company Limited. We are dedicated to the manufacture, research and development of high-quality powder coating machines. Currently, our products have found favor in more than 100 countries. We offer a warm welcome to our global customers to experience our products firsthand. Thank you. Our company attains a yearly production capacity of more than 50,000 electrostatic generator sets, as well as over 30,000 sets of spray guns, modules, and printed circuit boards. The Colo powder coating equipment has found great market demand in Canada, the United States, Russia, France, Germany, Saudi Arabia, and South Africa, etc. We have also achieved an exceptional reputation both at home and abroad.
Hi, this is Tina. I'm sales manager.
Soy Diana. Hello, this is Sky.
Luis, ich bin Isabella.
我喜欢 awesomeness.
With the support of this highly experienced team, we can design and produce a comprehensive range of powder coating spare parts and sheet metal components to suit your needs.